This is my MySQL Week 11 project showcase. So working in the projects app, I have here my operations. We have my adding, listing, selecting. What we'll be mainly dealing with here today, not the update, but the delete aspect of the project. So just to show off the code that I have here, so that this is our method for deleting. Calling back to the project service, deleting the project via the ID. This here will not repeat anything or let us select the wrong project. So this is just kind of the stopgap there. We have the rest of the code, menu navigations and all that. Then in our service layer, we have the part that relates to the Java aspect, or from our main Java area, right here. And then again, the code for our DAO section. Right there. Here was our schema. And then if I go into the projects app, we'll get right into the showcase. So we'll hit run. And here we have our menu. Currently, we're not working with any projects, but I do already have a project loaded in, project test 20. As you can see here on dbeaver, we have the category, which we don't really worry about. This isn't going to delete anything. We have material, project, project category, and step. Now, I go into this and we're going to see just the list of our projects. We can see that there is only one project, but we're not currently working with this. What we have to do is to select a project. Here, we're going to enter the ID, ID being 20, and it pulls up with the ID, name, estimated hours, as well as the actual hours, difficulty, notes, and materials. And it goes through materials, steps, categories, giving us everything that we know about this project. If I were to hit 6, however, since it's not an option, we scroll up. 6 is not a valid selection. Try again. Okay, well, what we want to do is delete a project. So using option number 5. So what we'll do is we're going to hit 5, enter in the ID of 20. Apologies, I have to select it again. Select project 3. I missed a step. It did work. So we do not have any projects currently loaded. So if I were to go into here, so we have no projects. I goofed up a little bit. I had already deleted it. Yeah, right here. Project 20 was successfully deleted. I just tried to do it twice. So we go back down. See it again, we tried to enter it in. Project ID 20, it does not exist. So we'll go back down. We have nothing in our projects list. Not currently working with a project. We see that it's been deleted, but how do we know that it works? So we go over here, and where it was currently listed, right? If I were to hit refresh, gone. 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 And gone. See, all of them are now gone. But if I were to go back into my project week, back into my script here, where we have everything that's needed to be created, drop tables if they exist, and all that, we have our test project starts here, all the way down through. Now, if I were to hit execute this script, go back over here to materials, We refresh, and there we have it. The project is now back in, which is how you'd add any other project. So if we go here, let's say. So again, we'll hit 2, and there it is. Project test 20. And there you have it, the week 11 showcase.